Hey guys, what's up? My name is Kapil Vadra. Today we are gonna talk about Mirzapur. Mirzapur is an Indian crime thriller web television series on Amazon Prime Video. The 9 episodes of Mirzapur were the top trending topic during the recent years. The titles were so mystic that people were absolutely crazy about it, and still are. Each episode had a next story to say that kept its viewers engaged and focused. Mirzapur 2 is releasing this year, and with all the suspense dark things, it ensures that it will get bigger hype and higher ratings than season 1. Most probably it will be available after July, as before that other movies like Gulabo Sitabo and many others are lined up on Amazon Prime. In this video we are going to revisit Mirzapur season 1 episode by episode. Before that, please do subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Episode first was named as Jhandu. Munna Tripathi, son of powerful Alaknanda Tripathi, known as Kaleen Bhaiya, mistakenly shoots a groom while dancing. The groom's family takes the case to honest lawyer, Mr. Pandit. Pandit has 3 children, Guddu, Bablu and Dimpy. All 3 study in the same college. Guddu has a major crush on Dimpy's close friend named as Sweetie. When Munna gets to know about Pandit taking this case, he goes to Pandit's house to threaten him. When he refuses to comply, Munna points a gun at him. That leads to a fight where Guddu beats up Munna badly. Munna feels insulted and Tripathi calls the Pandit brothers to his place. The brothers get shocked when Tripathi offers them to work with him. Aside from this, Beena is the second wife of Alaknanda Tripathi, but is not happy with her sex life.
आ जाएंगे कितने बजे हैं? हेलो 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 साले हॉर्न टाइम में डाल देंगे अभी। पापा हेलीकॉप्टर बन के जाओगे क्या? बात कर रहे हैं ना? भोसड़ी के निकल भोसड़ी के यहीं मारेंगे, निकलो। हेलो हम आ जाएंगे, हाँ 4 बजे आ जाएंगे।
Episode 2 was named as Guda. The brothers agree to work for Tripathi. They are given a bike and are sent to talk their father out of the case. Munna is angry with his father for not punishing Guddu and Bablu. Pandit refuses to listen to his sons and asks them to leave. It is revealed that Sweetie has a nerdy sister, Golu, and that their father is a corrupt cop who takes bribes from Tripathi. Munna is interested in Sweetie, who refuses him constantly. Guddu and Bablu force the dead groom's father to withdraw the case. Initially, they refuse, but when Guddu hangs the brother-in-law from balcony, he agrees to withdraw the case. Rati Shankar, an old rival of Tripathi, sends a man to kill Munna. Munna survives and kills the man. Rati's son Sharad suggests his father to take revenge when Tripathi is not at Mirzapur.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. ए प्रिंस चार्ल्स, हिंदी का सुनाओ बे।
अबे सुनाओ।
च, झ, ट, गलती कर दी है ना। इया ठीक से पढ़े होते तो बच जाते आज तुम।
Episode 3 was named as Wafadar. A generation-old rivalry between Kaleen Bhaiya, his father, and Rati Shankar is rekindled. Sharad refuses to join his father, Rati Shankar's business. JP Yadav demands election funds from Kaleen Bhaiya, so he meets Lala to ask for extra supply of resham, that is opium, and on the way back gets ambushed by Rati Shankar's assassins. He captures 2 of the assassins and questions them. He gets to know that Rati Shankar is targeting his family. Kaleen Bhaiya now finally gives control to his gun ring to Guddu and Bablu, asking them to expand it. Episode 4 was named as Virginity. Beena sleeps with the house servant Raja. The principal of the college asks Golu to stand for the upcoming college elections as Munna is very violent. After refusing Munna's approaches, Sweetie asks Guddu out on a date. Munna gets Guddu steroids for bodybuilding through the compounder, who is loyal to Munna. After Munna expresses that he wishes to take over Mirzapur as soon as his father lets him. The compounder offers to even kill Tripathi. Although Munna is initially angry, he considers it. Guddu and Bablu kill for the first time in this episode. Episode 5th was named as Bhokal. Munna takes a cut in an opium deal without his father's consent. Guddu and Bablu hatch an ambitious plan to increase the gun trade. But for this, both the cops and criminals of Mirzapur must cooperate. Guddu tells Sweetie that he is a gangster. Lawyer Pandit writes frequent letters to the chief minister regarding the matters at Mirzapur. Guddu and Bablu increases drug sell. Violence in the city shoots up and the gun sales also increase, impressing Tripathi. The state capital sends a police officer to Mirzapur to control the violence.
हाल चाल गुड्डू।
हमारा तो बढ़िया है, तुम्हारे अभी पता चलेंगे।
Episode 6 was named as Barfi, a meetup of the mafia heads of Purvanchal, Kaleen Bhaiya, Rati Shankar and others, and their political patron JP Yadav. Masquerading as a holy party ends up in a fracas which threatens to transform all equations. JP Yadav, feeling insulted at the hands of Kaleen and Munna Bhaiya, offers to help Rati Shankar gain control of Mirzapur if he can provide him with the funds for elections.
सबके सामने हाथ उठा दिया मुन्ना पे।
चूतिया तुम्हारा लड़का।
चूतिया है ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, हमारा लड़का है ये इम्पोर्टेंट है।
Episode 7th was named as Lions of Mirzapur. Guddu and Bablu have mixed up their private and professional lives as gangsters. But are they going down a rabbit hole? Episode 8th was named as Tandav. Guddu and Bablu go to Jaunpur to meet a party. The party reveals to be Shukla, the enemy of Tripathi. He asks the boys to join him. After refusing, a fight begins where Guddu shoots Shukla. The news goes to the ears of Tripathi, who becomes furious that the boys did not consult to him before shooting. Meanwhile, Guddu marries Sweetie, and the day after the wedding, he takes part in bodybuilding competition. Compounder shows his true friendship to Munna by trying to kill Tripathi when Munna asked him, but he failed. Munna unwantedly kills Compounder in front of his father so that the latter does not discover his lies. He feels sad and depressed for some days. He then tries to frame Guddu for the attack on his father Tripathi. Tripathi thus causes Guddu to lose the competition. Guddu becomes aggressive on stage. Tripathi hands over a gun to Munna. Munna then says that now it's time for Tandav and he will rule as from now.
हम बोले थे राइट टाइम आएगा तो कंट्रोल देंगे तुम्हारे हाथ में, अब राइट टाइम आ गया है।
Episode 9th was named as Yogya. Golu wins the election. The family goes to Dimpy's friend wedding, who turns out to be Lala's daughter. Sweetie is pregnant, and Guddu shows side effects because of steroids intake. Munna looks for the brothers everywhere to kill them. On the other hand, police beats the units to disclose who the brothers work for. Munna hijacks the wedding and kills Sweetie, Bablu and injures Golu and Guddu. Tripathi kills the policeman somewhere else to keep maintaining his fear among people. Tripathi's father gets to know about Beena and Raja's affair and blackmails Beena to sleep with him and later to cut Raja's penis off. Guddu instructs Golu how to use a gun and tells her to shoot Munna. She misses it, but the bride's father's bodyguards aim at Munna. People manage to run from the wedding places, including Golu, Guddu and Dimpy. In the ending scene, Munna is shown to take his gun to fight back. Beena looks for a gun. Sharad is shown shaving his head and remembering that his father wanted Mirzapur.
हम पेट से हैं।
स्वीटी तुम्हें हम अपनी जान से ज्यादा लव किए थे। नहीं, हम वेट ही कर रहे थे कि कब लोग आप आंखें खोलें और कब हमें
So guys, that was the whole story of Mirzapur season 1. That's it people. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video. Please like and share this video. Also consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the bell icon for more videos like this. I post videos every week. My name is Kapil Vidra, signing off.